Good job cleaning, Nate. If only you'll do this when you're big enough to stand above that. You're getting a lot of work done. Thanks for helping Mommy. Are you done? Is it your turn now, Charlotte? Put your dress down, please. Okay, it's Charlotte's turn. Everyone loves to clean. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're done. No more cleaning for anyone.